Now, what today we are going to study about the precipitation. Precipitation is that means that a warm air can hold more water vapor than a cold air can. If warm air rises, it cools down and go to a longer hold all the water vapor it is carrying. The excess of water vapor condenses into a tiny droplet of a water. If the temperature is low, the vapor may change into tiny crystals. So, if the temperature is low, the water vapor may change into a crystal. These droplets or crystals so light that they fly in the air carrying the air current. Visible masses of the floating water vapor or a ice crystal are called the clouds. Are called the cloud. The moving droplet of a crystal bump into each other and stick together to form a larger droplet or crystal. In this way, they grow into a size and then they try to float. Then they fall as a rain or a snow. The falling condensed water vapor is called precipitation. So, what is that is the falling of condensed water vapor is called precipitation. How we measure the precipitation? The amount of rainfall at a place where the particular period is measured with the help of a rain gauge. It is measured with the help of a rain gauge. A rain gauge consists of a cylinder fitted in collective vessels at the top and a funnel at the top. The rainfall into the funnel get collected in the vessel below. At the end of the day or a period of a time on which the rainfall is being measured, the rainwater is collected in a vessel and poured into a measuring jar to find out the amount of rainfall. To measure the amount of rainfall, snow is usually collected like a rain and melt then measured. The rain gauge is kept in an open space. That means the rain gauge is kept in an open space, level space, away from the trees and building. This is to prevent the rainwater collected on a trees and building must not fall on the rain gauge. Rainfall is usually measured in milliliters. Annual rainfall is generally expressed in centimeters. Suppose the weather report, the news says that 15 milliliters of rainfall occurred in a town on a particular day. This means that if the rainfall is falling, the town on that day were allowed to collect over a plain surface, the level of rainwater over that surface would be 15 milliliter high. The mean annual rainfall. The monthly rainfall figure on any month can be calculated by adding the daily rainfall figure or the whole month. That means monthly rainfall figure any month can be calculated by adding the daily rainfall figure or the whole month. To find the annual rainfall, we add the monthly rainfall figure of the whole year. The mean rainfall, the average of the annual rainfall over the period of the 35 years. Then isolates. Isolates are the N. What are the isolates? Isolates is a line drawn on a map to join the places where has the same mean annual rainfall. The isolates help us to mark out the wet and dry region on the map. So today we have learned about the prescription and how they are measured. They are measured with the help of a rain gauge. Thank you.